A very good morning to all of you. A warm welcome to English class. Today we will study Part 2, Unit 4, Comparisons, Class 5th, Subject English Practice Book, Comparisons. Let's get started. Here we go. Worksheet 4. So these are some questions and you are to answer these questions. Which now in these all examples, one thing you will notice that superlative degree is there and with the combination of the it will come. So you already you have learned so the degrees of comparison. So it's easy for you now. So which is the fastest airline in the world? The fastest. Because many airlines are there. Comparison is with many. So you will use superlative degree. The fastest airline in the world. Which animal has the longest tusks? So elephant, as we all know, means many animals are there, but one animal which is elephant, they have longest tusks. Which planet is nearest to the Earth? Many planets are there, and the one which is nearest, you are to tell about that. The nearest, nearer, nearest, long, longer, longest, fast, faster, fastest. Combination the superlative degree. In superlative degree, we always use the. If you don't use write the or you speak the, then it's the grammatical error. Which planet is the nearest to Earth? This is done. Then next, which is the tallest building in the world? Burj Khalifa. Which is the largest continent? Many continents. And which is largest? Asia. Then smallest continents? The smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Asia. Which is the highest mountain? Many mountains are there. Comparison with many. So Mount Everest. So you will see, you can easily see now we have used superlative degree. The longest, the nearest, the tallest, the biggest, the smallest, the highest. Let's go ahead. The most interesting example now, and this is the performance of top 5 countries about Olympics. United States of America, China, Great Britain, Russia, South Korea. So 40 gold medals 46. United States of America won highest number of gold medals. So this is the largest number. Then then China 38 only, Great Britain 29, Russia 24, South Korea 13. Then silver medals. And then bronze, and then their total is given. Silver medals, United States of America 29, China 27, Great Britain 17, Russia 25, South Korea 8. Bronze medals, 29, United States of America, China 23, Great Britain 19, Russia 32, South Korea 7. Then their total is given. So now only what you will do, you will fill the blanks by comparing them. So let's see the questions. So worksheet 5 is based upon this tabular form. The USA won the largest number of gold medals. So you can keep your chart with you while solving this. On book at page 35 you will solve this. The United States of America won 46 numbers of gold medals, which was the highest. So USA won the largest number of gold medals. Then Great Britain won fewer bronze medals than Russia. Now two countries. You will check Britain and Russia and the numbers of the bronze medals won by them. So now Britain won less numbers, means few we will use here, fewest numbers than Russia. Then United States of America won as many silver medals as bronze, means the numbering of the bronze medals and silver medal, the bronze medals and silver medals is same. means they won bronze and silver medals equal. So okay, and comparison is with as, then United States of America won more medals than any other country. So okay, so more medals, comparison is with other country. So okay, comparative degree, much more, most. Then the United States of America won more gold medals than China. So okay, even the number was highest, but now two countries, so use comparative degree. When compare, now you can see first and last example, first example and fifth example. In first example, superlative degree is used. In fifth example, comparative degree is used. Here USA won the largest number, means with it was compared with five topmost countries, and here America is compared only with China. So comparison between two, then you are using comparative degree, and when it is more than two, then you are using superlative degree. So okay, next, do it yourself. Complete the following sentences using the given adjectives or the comparatives or superlative form. Which is the most popular fruit in India? We know many names of many fruit. Singular plural of fruit is fruit. No S or yes. So okay, most popular. This is long word. So much more, most. It is followed by most, more and most. Most popular, more popular and most popular. Third means comparative degree is more popular and superlative degree is most popular. Then cold. December is colder than Feb. December month, we know it is, means in comparison to Feb month it is colder. Then health is always better, good, better, best. Then wealth. Two things are compared. We use comparative degree. The nice the one way is to judge, even like it comes with the combination than, and superlative degree comes with the combination the, means than is there, so you will use comparative degree. Here even than was there, so we use comparative degree. Here the was there, so we use superlative degree. So this exercise is to understand that for superlative degree the is always there, and for comparative degree then mostly is there. So okay, your knife is not so sharp as mine. So comparison of the knife, and it is with so sharp as, so as. So comparison can be done like this as well. So the Leaning Tower of the Pisa is not as tall as the Qutub Minar. Again same comparison with other than this comparison, like so and as and as and as. So okay, comparing it is as and as. So okay, beautiful. Which of the two painting is more beautiful? Two paintings are there, and one is asked which is more. So okay, beautiful is long word, intelligent is also long word. So we will use more beautiful and most beautiful. So second comparative degree will be used because two paintings are there only. So use more beautiful. Einstein is considered to be the most intelligent scientist of our times. Now, um, now intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Superlative degree is used because many scientists are there. Comparison is with many. One is compared with many. So okay, next, this is all about today. Thank you. Have a nice day.